3 things to know before using Pinterest on your business. So number 1 is, are your targeted audiences are on Pinterest? So the main language for the Pinterest is English. So if your brand language is English, then go for it. However, don't worry if it's not English. I have seen a lot of Spanish contents on Pinterest on Spanish. They are doing absolutely great. It's just gonna take you a more time to reach more audiences and wider audiences, but you're gonna rock it. And another is that 60% of the Pinterest users are women. So if your targeted audiences, your dream clients are more women centric, then that's on cherry on top. However, if it's men or both, there are still 40% of men Pinterest users, so it's not that big deal. However, if you have like women centric, then that is best. And also, whether you are service-based entrepreneurs or product-based brands, there are 40% of the Pinterest users are from USA. If you want higher conversion from your marketing through your Pinterest account, then your brand, your product should be ready for the global market in order to capture all of your audiences and get higher conversion. Number 2 is, are you ready to provide a value-based contents? So this is especially for the product-based entrepreneurs. If you have products and it is very hard to become less salesy, I know that struggle, because you should be really creative with your product contents. You should be really careful on providing value through your products as well. So are you ready for providing values through your contents? Are you going to provide long form contents? Because people usually prefer to get tons of inspirations, ideas, and they come here to solve their problems. So they really like longer form contents to read, to entertain them, to educate them. That's why if you are product-based business, are you ready to provide those kind of values? And if you only provide the contents to sell, then the Pinterest users are going to run away, and also Pinterest itself gonna call you out for being spammy. So just be ready to provide valuable and educational contents with your product sellings as well. So there are 3x more likely the Pinterest users are going to click on your website other than other social media platforms, and there are like 80% of the users usually see and shop from the pins if they like your brands and they like your products. And the number 3 is, do you have a patience for the organic growth for your business? Pinterest usually takes time, 3 to 6 months of really hard work, strategies to get the system built up and for the organic growth just flowing consistently. Honestly, if you are someone who need like very short-term results, very immediate results, then Pinterest is not for you. But if you have longer goals for your business, if you have long-term success plan, then you should be on Pinterest. It is really perfect for you because the content itself takes time to prepare, to get nurtured, to get analytics and impressions. If you have long-term goals, visions for your business, then jump into Pinterest. Otherwise, short-term is not for Pinterest.